Good morning, students. Today, 16th April. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is named as auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. It is at page number 16. These are auxiliary verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? I am going to explain it. Chapter 4, Auxiliaries verb. Auxiliaries verbs are known as helping verbs. They are of two kinds, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. When we talk about primary auxiliaries, they are 11 in number. Do, does, did, is, are, am, was, were, has, have and had. In easy words, we can say that the helping verbs who are used in present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous, they are known as primary auxiliary. And the other helping verbs, they are used in future tense and other sentences. They are known as modal auxiliaries. Generally, they are of 13 in number. There are 13 modals: shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought, dare, need, and used. One thing is important. Ought and used are always followed by to. It means ought और used के बाद हमेशा TO2 infinitive to का प्रयोग होता है. Now first, primary auxiliaries. Where we have to use these auxiliaries? Students, do and does are used in negative and interrogative sentences in present indefinite tense. अफर्मेटिव में डू और डज का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. डू एंड डज आर यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इन प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. डिड यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. Has, have used in affirmative, negative and interrogative in present perfect tense. Present perfect के affirmative, negative और interrogative तीनों प्रकार के sentences में has या have का प्रयोग होता है. Singular subject के साथ has और plural subject के साथ have का प्रयोग होता है. In the same way, had used in affirmative, negative, interrogative in past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect और past perfect continuous में helping verb के रूप में had का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Next is RM, used in affirmative, negative and interrogative in present continuous tense. Was, were used in affirmative, negative, interrogative in past continuous tense. In this way, once again I would like to tell you that we can say that the helping verbs which used in present and past tense are known as primary auxiliary verbs. Understood, students? Second is modal auxiliaries. I told you earlier that they are 13 in number. I would like to tell you how to use these modal auxiliaries. First of all, shall. Shall is used in all future tenses. Means future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. When the subject is in the first person. In easy words, we can say that with I and we, they are the first person. We have to use shall. Now will. Will is used in all future tenses when subject is in the second or in third person. You, she, he, they. With these pronouns, we have to use will. Now should is used as the past tense of shall in indirect speech. When direct and indirect speech will be explained to you, then it will be clearly told to you. But here you have to be careful about the use of shall in indirect speeches. Shall will be changed into should. Should is used to express a sense of obligation. आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए इसका यूज होता है, जैसे as I should meet them today. Should is used to express a belief. एक हमारा विश्वास है उसको शो करने के लिए should is used, as it should rain soon. Should it can express a condition also. Should can express a condition also. Like should she reach on time, we can take her with us. With have, जब हम इसका प्रयोग have के साथ करते हैं, with have it can express regret, पछतावा, protest, विरोध और complaint या शिकायत. अगर इसका प्रयोग have के साथ होता है तो ये it can express regret, protest और complaint. As I should have met them today. Or she should have reached on time. Okay, students? Now, D part. Would. Would is also an important model. It is also used as the past tense of will in indirect speech. With the second person you, would is used to make a polite request. जब हम इसका प्रयोग सेकंड पर्सन अर्थात यू के साथ करते हैं तो ये पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट प्रकट करता है, जैसे would you open the door please. The second use, the either use of would is used when somebody wants something or when offering something, as he would like some biscuits. Yeah, would you like me to drive you there? Would is equivalent to the model used to when referring to a past routine. Used और would का प्रयोग पास्ट की किसी रूटीन को, किसी आदत को, किसी हैबिट को शो करने के लिए भी किया जाता है, जैसे वी वुड प्ले क्रिकेट व्हेन वी वर यंग. जब हम छोटे थे तो हम खेला करते थे. In the same way, would and used to are used. The rest of the models will be explained you in next time. Okay, बच्चों, do it carefully.